I'm BA with Bay Area Derby, and I'm going to show you a box grind. A box grind is a very similar technique to that of a power slide, so for those of you coming from Derby, you should be able to bring that skill from the track to the ramp. The box grind is an intermediate trick. You would start this trick off just like you would a slide. You approach the coping at an angle, and when you land on the coping, you're going to be landing with both feet at the same time. Your lead foot is going to be sliding, and then your follow foot is going to be grinding on the trucks. The stance of this trick is very similar to that of a power slide. Where it differs is that more of your weight will typically be on the sliding foot, and a little less of your weight will be on the grinding foot, depending on how far you'd like to slide. So the hardest part of this trick for me is getting my follow foot all the way up onto the coping. So I would advise just staring at the coping the whole time to make sure that you're spotting where your foot needs to go, landing in a little bit of a wide stance and opening up that hip to ensure that you can get your foot at that 180-degree angle.
Ha ha ha.